In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scrape any website data into Airtable. If you've ever wanted to streamline your data collection process and make it more efficient, this guide is perfect for you. We'll be using a tool called Web Clipper, which is available in Airtable's marketplace to help us gather the data we need directly from websites and import it into our Airtable base. First, you'll want to navigate to Airtable. Open your web browser and head over to airtable.com. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do so. Once you're in, you should see your Airtable dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Next, we need to head over to the Marketplace. Look for the Marketplace option on your dashboard. It's usually located in a prominent spot, as it's where you can find various apps and extensions that enhance Airtable's functionality. Click on it and you'll be taken to the Marketplace page. Now it's time to search for the Web Clipper. In the search bar on the Marketplace page, type in Web Clipper and press Enter. This tool is specifically designed to help you scrape data from websites and bring it directly into Airtable. You should see it appear in the search results. Once you find Web Clipper, click on it to view more details. Web Clipper is an incredibly useful app for anyone looking to collect data efficiently and effortlessly. It allows you to select pieces of information from a web page and input them into your Airtable base without needing to copy and paste manually. After clicking on Web Clipper, you'll see an option to add it to your Airtable. Go ahead and click to install it. The installation process is straightforward and should only take a moment. Once it's added, you'll be able to use Web Clipper within your Airtable bases. With Web Clipper installed, you can now begin scraping data. Open a web page from which you want to collect data. You'll notice that Web Clipper gives you the ability to select specific data points on the page. You can choose text, images, links, or any other type of content you need. Select the information you want to capture, and with just a few clicks, you can send it straight to your Airtable. That's all there is to it. You've successfully set up Web Clipper in Airtable and learned how to scrape data from any website. This tool can save you a significant amount of time and effort, making your data collection process much more efficient. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this tool as helpful as I do. Happy data scraping!